Go to the Google and search ClipDrop Relight. Click on first link. You can also drag and drop the image from your PC. For high quality, buy premium, but now we use free, and click on downscale and continue. Click on color bar and adjust the position. You can increase or decrease the brightness of color with bar. You can increase or decrease the distance of color. You can also increase or decrease the radius of color. Select the second color by pressing on Light 2. You can hide the color bar with eye icon. You can also see the original image by clicking on bulb icon. Click on background layer and check the transparent for removing background. You can also change the background color. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel Done Pixels.